Hi, I'm Steve Galliano, Product Manager for HP Consumer Cases, and let's take a look on the features, the organizational compartments and pockets of the HP Renew Travel 15.6-inch laptop backpack and laptop bag. The first thing I want to talk today is that this backpack is made with sustainable material fibers obtained by recycling plastic bottles diverted from landfills and pre-consumer waste in the production line via the repref process. 10 plastic bottles are recycled into this great backpack, and the process is even featured internally printed for you to see the positive impact that you're contributed to the planet. Don't let travel take a toll on your technology. This backpack has a padded interior and exterior to assure an adequate protection from 13.3 up to a 15.6-inch laptop, plus the accessories, gadgets, and documents. In addition, this backpack is made from durable materials that protect from scratches, bumps, dust, and yes, is water resistant. Secure your laptop in the dedicated compartment. All of the internal and external pockets will help you to store and protect all of your items smartly. Let's see how many items we can fit neatly in this backpack. We have also added multiple features to the exterior of the backpack that make travel easy. Let's check it out. First, the top padded handle for your carry with your hand comfortably. Second, the padded shoulder straps and back panel with the airflow system canal will help you to maximize the comfort while you're using it on your back.